Hey everyone, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your date and time in Windows 11. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is come down here and click Settings. And then come down here to Time and Language. Up here to Date and Time. And right now we have it to set automatically, so it's automatically set to this date here. So if we want to set up like manually by ourselves, we want to turn this off. Come down here to Set Date and Time manually. Click Change. Now right now it's October 3rd, 2021, 8:37 p.m. But let's say we want to change it to November 7th, 2031. We can do that and click Change. And right now, it is now November 7th, 2031. Alright, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends, and until next time, goodbye.